we've gone from 1 hour to now 4 hours outside. Good afternoon, good evening, good night everybody. Hope you're doing awesome. Happy Sunday to you all. Sunday 26th of April 2026, and it is day 70. Can you believe it? Day 70 of the Chilli grow up. And as always, it's a little cloudy today, but the sun is blazing, so we're going to do 4 hours today, keeping an eye on them every hour. We'll keep checking because yesterday there was a bit of sun scalding. He's repaired now, look, but still looking a little sad, shall we say. So we'll keep on checking, we'll keep checking in, and we'll make sure these plants are alright every hour. Other than that, I hope you're doing awesome and you're having a great Sunday and you've had a great weekend so far. Me and Lucy are doing great. We're going to have a wander, I think. Have a wander around the village, see what's happening. Let's do this. Let's get into day 70. About an hour in. You know, they really are adapting well. I think they're handling it great. They really have changed from trying outdoors to handling it. They all look good. Even those leaves, I think it's going to be all right. We shall see though. A little bit of a tinge there from yesterday. But yeah, these longer sessions, it's exactly what they need. Even the overwintered plant, look at all the new leaves. Beautiful. Need to keep an eye on that Armageddon. See, the leaves are a little too pale. Alright, we're about 2 hours in. I think they're doing really well. Everything's looking good, no cause for concern at the moment. Now the sun today, even though it's direct, it's still a bit clouded. So I think that's probably helped with the intensity. Now don't get me wrong, the UV will still be the same. It's just the brightness of the sun won't be as intense. You see, these are looking better, look. These are the ones all burnt up. I don't know about this one, but yeah, this one's improved drastically. But we'll see. We'll check back in about an hour's time, and then in 2 hours' time, that'll be done. We'll get them back in and have a closer look. Just move them round so they make sure they get the sun, and they're not going to be hitting the shade, because the sun will be going down in the next 2 hours. Well, it'll be not hitting the front garden anymore, so it should time out just about right. But yeah, I think they're doing great, aren't they? Even the ones that were a bit light green I was worried about, they've all bounced back. Where's that one with the burn? That's way better than it was when it started. And I do think this one's improved. Just these two leaves are a bit too far gone. But they're looking alright, aren't they? Well, I think they are. Let me know if I'm wrong. But let's check back in about an hour or two. They are back inside. And I think they have done ever so well today. We'll have a quick rundown of them. But I think everything's looking good. Can't really see any issues. Let me get these all categorized, put them into their groups, and we'll check in further. The dream catchers. the Buena Mulata. Wonderful. Buena Mulata. Scotch Bonnet MOAs in the cups. The Scotch Bonnet MOAs. The Zimbabwe Black. The sweet banana. Looking great. Sweet banana. We have the Jalapeño. The Jalapeño. The Habaneros. Habanero. Tabasco Peppers. The Tabascos. Black Jalapeños. The Poblano Peppers. Poblano, peach stripies, there we go, most of them are doing alright on the Sugar Rush, peach stripe. Zebranges, Zebrange, ghost peppers, ghost peppers, Carolina Reapers, Carolina Reaper, the Armageddons, 2 cups, 2 parted up. Armageddon, Cayenne Peppers, Cayenne, the large orange tie, the large orange tie, Kashmiri Mirch, Kashmiri Mirch, the Padrón Peppers, Padrons. I almost forgot. Here is our Overwintered Cayenne. Look at all these new leaves. That's what a few days out in the sun will do, look. Sprung back to life. Okay, all of the plants have been returned. The forest is back together again. I think they've done really well today. 4 hours was just the right amount. We didn't push it too far. They really are adapting and transitioning into outdoor plants instead of just trying outdoors. They really are handling it well and adapting as they should be. The weather should be good tomorrow. I think it's going to be a bit cloudier, potentially rain, but either way the temperature will be up, so as long as there's some sunshine, we're going to go for 6 hours tomorrow. Hopefully. That wraps up day 70. What a milestone, eh? 70 days doing this every day. I can't thank you guys enough. Everybody that's liked, shared, commented, subscribed. Even if you're watching this right now, you're taking a little bit of your time out of your life to come and watch this. Thank you. It means the world to me. Lucy and I really appreciate it. Thank you from the bottom of our hearts. And I hope you're having a wonderful, wonderful weekend. It's been a lovely, happy Sunday for you all, and you've had a great weekend. And I hope you've got a great week lined up as well. Organic food, organic minds for all of you. Have yourselves a wonderful, wonderful day. You take care now. Make sure you look after me, myself, and I, because no one's going to throw you a lifeline if you're drowning. You take care. We'll see you tomorrow. We'll see you Monday for day 71. Thank you all. Take care. Bye-bye.